In the heart of recent events in Zimbabwe is the Citizens Coalition for Change, known as the CCC. A faction within the CCC, led by Promise Mkhwananzi, has strongly opposed reports suggesting support for postponing the 2028 general elections. Mkhwananzi, appointed as spokesperson by former party leader Nelson Chamisa in 2023, made the faction's stance clear through a statement on the party's social media pages. This faction accuses another group within the CCC, led by Welshman Ncube and Sengezo Tshabangu, of colluding with ZANU-PF to amend the constitution for a potential third term, which would delay the elections. The CCC argues that the August 2023 elections were flawed, deeming the results illegitimate. The party emphasizes the need for electoral and political reforms to address this issue and advocates for a fresh election within a 6-month period. Another faction of the CCC, led by Jameson Timber, has also rejected the government's proposal to amend the constitution. The proposed amendment aims to shift voter registration responsibilities from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZC, to the Civil Registry Department. The Timber-led faction insists on the ZEC retaining voter registration duties, including the registration of voters. They propose automatic registration of voters upon turning 18 by linking the voters' roll to the Civil Registry database electronically, rather than transferring the function to the Registrar General. Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Ziambi disclosed the government's consideration of these changes, which would involve an independent commission taking over delimitation duties from ZEC. In the midst of Zimbabwe's turbulent political landscape, the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, remains steadfast in its pursuit of electoral and political reform. Despite the shifting sands of the country's politics, the CCC continues to advocate for necessary reforms to ensure a fair and legitimate electoral process. As the CCC navigates through these challenges, it plays a crucial role in shaping the future of Zimbabwe's democracy. Stay tuned for further updates on these evolving events.